Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To change wallpaper on your laptop, you just have to right click the desktop in any empty space, then select Personalize, then go to Background, and here select one of the 4 available options for your background. For example, if you select Picture, you'll be able to set a single photo on the background of your device. You can either use one of the pre-installed Windows photos, or you can choose a photo from your File Explorer by clicking Browse Photos and selecting a photo from here. And you can also adjust the fit for your desktop image by selecting one of the values in this list. The next option is solid color, which lets you set a solid color as the background of your device. So just select the color from here or use a custom color by clicking View Colors and selecting one color from here. Alternatively, we can also use a slideshow of photos to select a folder with photos for a slideshow. Click Browse and select one folder from your File Explorer. Here you can also change the frequency of picture changing. You can enable or disable shuffle in picture order, and you can enable running the slideshow when your laptop works on battery power by switching this toggle to the right. And at the bottom you can also choose a fit for your desktop image in this list. And the last option we have here is Windows Spotlight, and if you select Windows Spotlight, this will basically put a random image made by Microsoft, or not made by Microsoft, but random image from Microsoft database that will change every once in a while. And you can manually change it if you right-click your desktop and select Next Background. And this way you can switch between various backgrounds for your laptop. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.